Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. So, in the last 24 hours, we've seen a pump on Bitcoin up 4.65%. Dogelon Mars is now up 7.81% on the day. If you guys have been following along in the most recent videos, then you would be dollar cost averaging. What does that mean? That means you'd be in at these lows, and you would be up with a nice little percentage. Now, this doesn't mean, this little pump doesn't mean it's about to take off or continue rocketing. It really just depends on the crypto market. It depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. If Bitcoin keeps moving up, Dogelon Mars will move up and will catch up eventually. So, current rating is continue to buy and hold. Day trade what you need to day trade. And yeah, I mean, in the meantime, go ahead and check out the course in the description. First link in the description. Learn how to day trade some options. Learn how to day trade the market so you can not only just sit around and wait for this to pop off, but you can also make money every single week, Monday through Friday, whenever the market's open on the stock market. So, first link in the description. Go check it out. And yeah, guys, Crypto Billionaire 69, quick update. Hope everybody is doing amazing. And I will be back whenever this thing continues to go. So, peace.